It is your girl Tiffany, back at you again with another video. And today, you guys, I am back with another what am I eating for my healthy dinner tonight, you guys, video. So you guys, I've been doing these what am I eating healthy dinner videos, you guys. I have posted 2 so far, you guys. This is going to be my 3rd one today, you guys. But whoever has not seen them, if you're new to my channel, go check them out. And sorry about that. That is my dogs barking and my husband coming in the door. But you guys, for tonight, well, let me say it, you guys. So let's jump into this video. Okay, you guys, tonight for my husband and I, for our dinner, this is what I am fixing, you guys. So from my local grocery store, I went and purchased some wild caught whiting fish fillets, and we're gonna have a nice side salad with you guys. So I got my tomatoes and my croutons, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna put lemon on my salad, you guys, or I'm gonna put a little dressing, French dressing on there, you guys. I know I'm gonna use mozzarella cheese on my salad, and I am going to season my fish with lemon pepper. That is my favorite seasoning, you guys. So you guys, I am gonna get my fish ready, prepped, and so you guys stay tuned to this video. Okay, you guys, I am back. I have now my baking sheet, and I put a piece of aluminum foil on it, you guys, and I have washed off my fish and everything, you guys, and I have my lemon pepper right here. So I am going to start putting my fish on. See these fillets, you guys? I'm just gonna start lining them up on the aluminum foil. Okay. Just one more. So I hope everybody is having a wonderful day, you guys. Again, it's nice outside in my state. Again, you guys, and I have went out and enjoyed the weather, you guys. So I hope you are doing the same with your day and not stressing over drama, you guys, and not in negativity, you guys. Stay free from all of that, you guys, and your life will be better off, you guys. No, but I am telling the truth, you guys. Stay positive. Stay away from negative people. They don't mean you no good. Okay, you guys. Now, I have my fish lined up on this baking sheet, you guys. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my lemon pepper. You can put whatever seasoning you want on your fish, you guys. I'm so used to putting lemon pepper on all of my meat, you guys. It's very good. But on fish, it's really good, you guys. So I'm just going to, let me help this up, sprinkle some of my fish, each fillet. Okay. And then last one. Okay, you guys, so see, I have seasoned it. I don't know if you guys can see. I have seasoned it with my lemon pepper, you know, you guys. And what I'm going to do is, I have preheated my oven on 350, you guys. I'm going to pop this in the oven, and I'm going to let it bake for 20 to 25 minutes, you guys. And I will be back to show you guys the final results. I don't know. I know you. Yeah, I'll be back. I was gonna say, you guys, you want to see me make my salad, but no, you guys, I'm not gonna do that. When I come back with the final results, you guys, you will see my salad and my fish. So stay tuned to this video. Okay, you guys, I am back with my finished dinner, you guys. But before I show you guys my finished dinner, when you're baking your fish at 350, remember, you guys, it's 6 to 9 minutes per 8 ounces of fish, you guys. So don't forget that when you're baking your fish on 350. But you guys, let's jump into how these plates are looking. First plate, I'm going to show you my husband's plate. He's a plainie, you guys. He doesn't eat lemons or anything that tomatoes, anything I would put on my salad or fish. So I just put his baked fish on here, you guys. And I did the lettuce leaves again. And I just have cheese, mozzarella cheese, and some croutons in his, you guys. And he is probably going to use French dressing on his lettuce leaves, you guys. But this is his plate again, guys. And this one is mine, you guys. I got my baked fish. I have my lemons on here. And I have my 2 lettuce leaves. And I filled mine with 2 tomatoes, some croutons, and some mozzarella cheese, you guys. But it looks yummy, you guys. And like I said, this is one of my healthy meals, you guys. I'm trying to get myself together, you guys. So you will be getting a lot of these healthy recipe videos, you guys. And I hope you enjoy them for those who are wanting to start their health journey. Like I said, I know my page says Tiffany's Party Shop, you guys. But that means a lot of things, you guys. I'm selling party stuff. I'm creating party stuff. I'm making party treats. I'm making recipes you can use at your party, you guys. And also telling you about healthy things, healthy dinners, you guys. So, you guys, I am going to end this wonderful video by saying, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And guess what, you guys? I will party with you guys next time. Bye.